Man, because it's gonna be hard for y'all to put all that shit in the trunk. Y'all can't put it in the trunk.
Alright, so YouTube, what it is, man? It's your boy Sayysooflyy. I am the wave, I am the bridge, man. So the Airbnb, we checking out of the Airbnb. I don't know if you could tell, but my voice. Oh shit, look at that iguana. Hold on. Making all that damn noise. You see it? That shit big as hell. It's two of them. Damn, that shit's huge. That shit's big. But we checking out of the Airbnb literally right now. Getting closer and closer to the launch date of the new company that pretty much I'm launching. My brother's launching. Everybody who's in this Airbnb, we all launching it. I haven't put the name out there yet, but trust, it's coming soon, man. Like I literally have, oh, I could show y'all my phone. I'm gonna show y'all my phone, but I literally have over 500 people. 500 people who's wanting more information. 500 people who like waiting for me to call them. And I'm gonna call every single one of y'all. I showed y'all yesterday we was at dinner with the CEO. It's like the second dinner we had with him. And pretty much, you know, it was just game planning, talking, you know, he's showing us the platform. And I mean, it's the same thing we was talking about, you know, the first dinner, you know, telling him the different things that we want to see. And, you know, how we gonna make it, as best as possible to help y'all make bread, if that makes sense, all right? But these niggas I'm with right now, we about to lead the Airbnb to be 100. I don't know where we about to go, but we gonna make it happen, man. Let me keep y'all with me. My voice, I don't know what's going crazy, what's going on with my voice, but hey, it is what it is. So look, I got 500 people, 500 submissions. All y'all waiting for me to get on the phone with y'all. All these people right here. And I'm gonna call every single one of y'all, man. Y'all wanna know what the next move is. Y'all wanna know what the next wave is. Y'all wanna trade. Y'all wanna make some bread with us. And I got you, son. I got you. Just gotta be patient, man. If you haven't applied, go ahead and apply. Click the link in the description. We're gonna get this money, man. Enjoy today's vlog. At college, like when they recruiting you, that's how that shit feels.
Going to training camp and shit.
All right.
Still gotta get our own food. Community college vibes.
But I head to my guy Santana spot. Oh shit.
Who want to smoke?
Yeah, I mean, his shit cheap too.
Yeah, he said it was like, I don't think he said no more than 2 bands.
Yeah, I'm like, shit, what?
You got a smooth view too. Alright, so my bad. My camera, I ain't have enough footage, so I had to erase a bunch of stuff. But I wanted to show y'all the crib that I'm at right now. Y'all know I gotta show y'all, you feel me? I'm gonna be honest, I showed TikTok first. And y'all know how I feel about that, man. I've been putting TikTok above y'all, you know, priority-wise, and I apologize, man. I apologize. It's just something about TikTok. It's so much, it's faster, you feel me? It's like, then I could just use my phone. Of course, I could do that same thing with, you know, YouTube, but it is what it is. First, before I show y'all the crib, I'm gonna show y'all, you know, the whips that's in the driveway. No, these are not my whips. These are the people, you know, my future business partners. All of that stuff, but that don't even matter. Got the big body Benz. You got the other big body Benz. It's about to rain. I'm out here in Miami. You already know that. And then you got a Benz and you got a, I might as well show y'all, man. Might as well show y'all. Smooth Nissan, nothing too crazy. You got another body, big body. And then you got the Audi. Out here looking, sheesh. Out here looking pretty, man. But what I'm about to do, I'm gonna give you a house tour. I'm not gonna go in like every single room because I haven't even gone in every single room, and I don't want to open up the door to something that I ain't really supposed to be seeing. This is not me saying, you know, that this is my crib, that I bought the crib. I don't even know what the title of this video gonna be, but understand, no, this is not my crib. This is an Airbnb. Those whips, those are really they whips though. But shit, it don't even matter who crib it is. It's about manifesting, you know, being around things that you've never been able to be around before, you know. So like, just for an example, a penthouse. Like, before living in a penthouse, or before ever being in a penthouse, like, or let me scratch that. After being in a penthouse for so much, I cannot live in a regular apartment anymore. You feel me? Because my belief level is just, it's up here. You feel me? Once you experience something, it's hard to go back. You know, once you experience life without, you know, being a slave, you know, once you experience different things, it's hard for you to go back. So this is me helping y'all experience this, showing you something that you might be able to get one day. You know, something that I might be able to get one day, that I'm gonna be able to get one day if I just keep grinding, you know. So that's the point of this vlog right here, man. But yeah, oh shit, you gotta open it the other way. By the time y'all see this movie, we gonna already be launched. So got the, I think these are things that go on the back of the phone. But the crib is OD though. Let's get the, sheesh. The crib is OD.
Nice. Okay.
Like I said, it's so many rooms. It's so many rooms, and I don't know what a lot of the stuff like goes to. And I don't want to, oh my God, they got a movie theater too? See? Oh, it's not really like a movie theater, but, so this is like one of the garages, but they turned into a movie theater. See, this is dope right here. This is dope right here. It's one room, got the bathroom. I have no clue how many bedrooms this joint got. I just know it's a lot. And like I said, I ain't gonna go in every room, but I'm just showing y'all, man. Showing y'all, helping y'all manifest, man. This is like MTV Cribs, but a YouTube version. Like, I'm telling you, man, like after experiencing stuff like this, it's hard to go back. You know, it was like a video that Steve Harvey was talking about. He was talking about like taking a first class flight. Like, after you get on that first class flight, you ain't never gonna wanna sit in a regular seat ever again. Cause it really is different. Like, that shit really feel different. You know, the seats are better. You got more leg room. All of that stuff. It's just a bunch of rooms, man. It's a bunch of rooms. This right here is like the game room. Got a game right there.
What's up, bro?
It's for the tube right here, man. It's for the tube. My man's look like Tory Lanez. That shit crazy. Oh yeah, he definitely a rich with it. But yeah, that's that right there. That's the game room. I'm gonna show y'all the backyard. And then that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. Like I said, gang, got the bro. And this is the backyard, man. Like, this is smooth, son. This is smooth. And this is the thing. This is something I want y'all to understand when it comes to like network marketing, because a lot of y'all don't really understand what that is. Like, those dudes who I just showed you in the garage, I don't even really know them like that. You feel me? I literally just met them. I just met them like 2 days ago. You know, of course, you know, my brother know him, but the thing is, like, even though I just met him, we're literally about to make hundreds of thousands of dollars together. You know, I'm gonna help them, they gonna help me, and we all gonna come up together. And that's the whole point of network marketing. Instead of doing shit by yourself, instead of trying to, you know, be the boss by yourself, you got a team with you, man. You got people who, you know, who think just like you, who want the same frequency as you. You know, y'all running up together. So I just wanted to show y'all that, man. I got a flight a little bit later today. I'm gonna be going back to Charlotte, and then I don't know when I'm gonna come back out here, but I'm gonna make it happen, man. I'm gonna make it happen. My vlogs, by the time y'all see this, it's probably gonna be like a week old. Hopefully not, but I'm like backed up on my vlogs, you feel me? Y'all niggas gonna be watching. I mean, matter of fact, I ain't gonna say that. I ain't gonna say that. I'm not speaking nothing that I don't want. You feel me? No negativity. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all. You know, I appreciate everybody who, you know, been fucking with me, who always was fucking with me. People who've been watching the journey. Y'all been supportive throughout everything. Like, that stuff right there does not go unnoticed, and I really fuck with y'all for that. You know, hopefully, if you want to make some money with me, if you want to work with me, you want to become a part of the team, I'm gonna have the link in the description. It's gonna be like an application. The application take 2 minutes, bro. All you gotta do is fill that out. Once you're done, I'm gonna text you and then I'm gonna call you. Now, if you do not respond to my text and you don't respond to my, like if you don't respond to the text, I'm moving on to the next person. All right, if you do not respond to the text, I'm moving on to the next person. All right, so I'm gonna talk to y'all. Y'all stay cool, stay safe out here in these streets, man. Most of all, stay wavy, my friends. Stay wavy, cause waves don't die. Sheesh. Listen, do you know I got a video of you on YouTube? It was in the, I think it was in the, yeah, what, Infinity?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was in the Infinity, nigga.
What was doing?
I forgot, nigga. We was driving fast as hell on the freeway. Niggas was listening to Sleepy Hollow.
It's on YouTube?
You don't even remember that, yeah.
Not at all.
That was like the first day I met you for real, I think. That shit's
Nah,
funny.
that wasn't the first day you met me. It was like the first week though.
First week?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Now we gotta throw it back. We gotta put some Sleepy Hollow on.
Thanks.
Drive luxury. Yo, the nigga at the dealership told me that this car, like, there's never been a fatality in this car. Like, it's the safest car.
Word?
Yeah. I said I'm gonna be the first.
Oh
Nah,
shit.
I'm gonna-
Niggas wildin'. Hey, y'all don't remember this, man. Y'all remember this, man?
Fuck them, I don't know them, they ain't one punner. In my German car, drop a big pack on my young gunner.
Alright, so I'm at the airport with it. Guy right here.
I don't think. I think
She clearly in a rush. But right now, going back to Charlotte, you know, for some family stuff.
But I don't think Chris
He's coming back here. I'm gonna be in Charlotte for a little bit, you know. Just gonna be grinding there for a little bit, calling y'all just cause it is hundreds of y'all, you know, and I know y'all wanna get to this money, you feel me? And the faster I get to y'all, the faster we can all make money, the faster I can hit my, you know, 10,000 a month goal, you feel me? And yeah, man, we all win. You know, so that's what we doing at the airport. We got some good timing. You know, we not late because we don't miss flights out here. You feel me? Yeah, this nigga walk fast as fuck. Like, he's running. It's crazy. Ain't really nothing to talk about, you know, today. Pretty much what's been going on today, we've been waiting for the website to update. So, that entire time today, like, the list has been growing. And when I say list, I mean, like, y'all been applying, you feel me? Like, it went from 200 to 300 to 400 to 500 people, and I didn't want to start calling y'all because then it was no way for y'all to sign up because the site wasn't up, it wasn't working. But now the site's working, you feel me? It just went live like 2 days or like 2 hours ago, you know, so it's like, yeah, man, I'm excited. I ain't gonna front. As far as it, you know, taking a long time to update, as far as it taking a long time to update, it's kind of like, that shit right there is iffy, but at the same time, it's a brand new company, you feel me? So you kind of gotta put that factor into play when it comes to this, because it's literally a brand new company, you know, so you gotta, you know, expect stuff like that. But everything is cool now, back office is running. By the time y'all see this, I already done had 10 people signed up. So you could have signed up, man. You could have been on the squad, you know. But either way, if you want to make some money with me, damn, this is good lighting right here. Look, that made him stop. TheCrypto.com. That shit caught his eye. That's funny. There's some good lighting though. I need to get a. Damn, this shit look good. I need to have it like this all the time, have some lighting like this. But if you want to make some money with me, you know, my team, you feel me, travel with us. Y'all saw a glimpse of the mansion. Click the link in the bio, or click the link in the description. Go ahead and apply. Yeah, the application take like 2 minutes, you feel me, nothing crazy. And we gonna run it up, you feel me? This is not IM Academy, this is not IML. You know, this is something brand new. Brand new, man. And if you knew what I knew, you would literally do what I do. Alright, it's 40. Oh, it is 40. Yep. This the gate right here.
Like, right
She gets
now,
something. That's me.
I won't place you under anybody unless you like, yo, I'm cool with him. I like the way he works.
Yeah, man. I want
I gotta let
some fruit or
everybody know
something,
that. Like,
man.
I can place you under anybody unless y'all agree with it. So, I won't place you for at least 7 days.
Attention in the terminal, this is a final boarding call for all passengers.
I think I'm getting a cavity too, low key. So I probably shouldn't get no candy. But guess what I'm gonna do? Nah, I usually don't even get candy for real, for real. It usually be the trail mix. Excuse me. Oh, they don't even, oh, there you go. This is what I usually get. It be this, but it don't ever look like that. I get the one with the M&Ms. They ain't got no M&Ms, B. Guess I ain't getting it. That's us right there. 8:35. Wait, 8:35. Oh nah, this is the wrong one. Hey, this is the wrong one. We are 41. Yeah, I'm like, wait, what? See, we was looking at the wrong joint.
It's our shit too.
Nigga, that was you. I ain't gonna lie, son. I thought I walked fast. This nigga is running. Like, why is he walking so fast, yo? It's crazy. So we had to get off of the flight. We boarded everything. I put my seatbelt on, everything. As soon as we was about to take off, the captain pretty much said that niggas gotta get off the flight, mechanical issues, stuff like that. So now we walking to a new gate. Yep. Y'all see that right there? Y'all remember when y'all thought that was a scam? How do you feel now? For everybody who used to say stupid stuff like that, that's what I want to know. How do you feel now? Feel me? Hair look crazy. I feel like I say my hair look crazy every vlog. Sometimes it really do though. Some motherfucking clothes on today, man. Got some motherfucking clothes on today. Told y'all niggas. I told y'all niggas. Nah, I'm excited about what we launching though, man. Like, I'm telling you, y'all have no idea. Y'all seeing me start this, y'all seeing me build this from zero. Alright, 0, 0, 0. I'm getting paid $0 right now. But y'all gonna see that zero turn into $500. And then it's gonna be 1,000. There's gonna be 2, 5, 10, 25, 10, 50 bands a month. And y'all gonna witness it. Y'all gonna see the whole thing. Watch.
She just wanted to live. So you're true. You're right. Like even me, I said that.
The lady walked up on me like she was trying to get in the video.
Damn, I remember being broke. Niggas calling me a joke. Sleeping on me, now they woke. And now they say I give them hope. She ain't never even noticed me. Now I pull up and she knows me. Shorty say she see the goat in me. I got everybody quoting.